Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the top 5 online shopping agents for tech gadgets in 2025. Let's explore how technology has transformed the way we shop online. Before we dive in, let's outline the criteria we use to compare these shopping agents: features, pricing, shipping speed, and user experience. First up is Amazon. Known for its vast selection, competitive pricing, and fast shipping, Amazon remains a top choice for many tech enthusiasts. Next, we have Best Buy. They offer exclusive online deals and a unique option for in-store pickups, making it a great choice for immediate needs. Our third contender is Newegg, which specializes in electronics. The extensive user reviews help customers make informed decisions on their next purchase. Fourth on our list is eBay. With its unique second-hand options and bidding system, you can snag great bargains on tech gear. Last but not least, Walmart provides competitive pricing and convenient availability, making them a go-to for budget-conscious shoppers. Here's a comparison table summarizing key features and user ratings for each of these agents, helping you make a well-informed choice. So, which online shopping agent is the best for your tech needs? It ultimately depends on your priorities and preferences. We hope this comparison helps you navigate your choices. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more great tips on tech shopping, be sure to subscribe for our latest videos.